If you're looking for a business idea that actually makes money, start here. Because in this video, I'm breaking down 7 unique machines that turn simple materials into profitable products. These aren't gimmicks. These are machines being used right now by real people to earn real income. You'll learn what each machine does, how much it costs, how much money it can make. Whether you're setting up at farmers markets, selling B2B, or launching your own product line, these machines are built for one thing: return on investment. Let's get into it. Let me tell you about a business that almost nobody talks about. Yet it powers every single gas station, ATM, retail store, and even fast food counter. Ever wonder where those tiny thermal receipt rolls come from? They don't just appear. They're sliced from giant jumbo paper rolls using a special machine. And guess what? You can own that machine. It's called a POS ATM roll slitting and rewinding machine, and it's the quiet engine behind a super niche B2B business. Now here's the crazy part. For around $12,900, you can get a fully automatic unit that turns one jumbo roll, worth just $25, into 100 plus mini receipt rolls. Each roll sells for 20 to 50 cents. Do the math. That's $20 to $50 in return for every $25 jumbo roll. And this machine can process dozens of jumbo rolls per day. Low labor, no storefront. You sell directly to local stores, banks, restaurants, even resellers on Amazon. You're not selling a trend. You're supplying a daily essential that every business needs to operate. And that's why this niche little machine could easily turn into a $600 a day cash flow business. If you know how to sell, and if you know how to move silent like a real operator. What if I told you that for just $558, you could launch your own perfume, skincare, or essential oil brand and look like a legit manufacturer from day one? Meet the DIY T400, a compact, fully automatic 4-head liquid filling machine that's small in size but massive in potential. This isn't just some DIY tool, it's a mini production line. You load your bottles, fill them with perfume, face serum, oil, literally any low viscosity liquid. Push a button, and it fills 4 bottles at once with laser precision using peristaltic pump technology. Translation: no mess, no waste, and you can scale your brand without hiring a team. Now think about this. You're making 100, 200 bottles an hour at home. Each bottle could sell for $10 to $40, depending on your branding. Even at the low end, you're staring at a 4-figure day if you have a good product and an even better story. Your competition is drop shipping. You're manufacturing. This $558 machine is your factory in a box. And with the right TikTok or Instagram reel, it could be the start of a real 6-figure business. Everyone loves fries, but not everyone knows. There's a machine that turns raw potatoes into frozen French fries automatically. No chef, no frying pan, just pure industrial efficiency. Meet the $8,900 full automatic French fries production line. It washes, peels, cuts, blanches, dehydrates, and preps potatoes for freezing, all in one flow. Think about that. You buy a sack of potatoes for $20, run it through the line, and out comes crispy cut, ready-to-fry frozen fries, the exact kind sold to food trucks, diners, and supermarkets. And each $20 bag of raw potatoes turns into $150, $200 worth of premium frozen fries. Now imagine doing that at scale. Restaurants are always hunting for local suppliers who can deliver fresh, frozen, and fast without relying on big national distributors. That's your edge. You're not just selling fries, you're selling turnaround time, local freshness, and high margins. And the best part? You're building a real brand from a product that's already in massive demand, every single day. This isn't a snack. It's a scalable system for serious operators. What if you could turn cement, pigment, and pressure into a product that literally sits on top of people's homes? That's exactly what this $13,000 roof tile making machine does. It doesn't just press tiles. It prints money, one slab at a time. You feed in raw materials, mostly cement, sand, and color powder. And in seconds, it molds out step-style roofing tiles that look just like the expensive ones on high-end homes. Each tile costs you less than $1 to make, and sells for $2 to $4, depending on thickness, color, and finish. Now multiply that by 1,000 tiles a day. You're not just a tile maker. You're a supplier to home builders, roofers, even government housing projects. And here's the kicker. These tiles don't just look good, they're durable, waterproof, and load-bearing. Perfect for both modern homes and developing areas with rising construction. Low labor, low material cost, high demand, especially in rapidly growing suburbs and cities. You can even offer custom colors, patterns, or branded tiles to stand out from mass manufacturers. This isn't just a machine, it's a startup in a steel box that builds the literal foundation of wealth. If you've ever seen a piece of wood turned into art, there's a good chance a machine like this made it happen. This is the Shunk 3D Wood CNC ATC router, a beast of a machine that takes your ideas from sketch to sellable product. At 5,860, this isn't just a tool. It's a carving, cutting, and cash printing system. Equipped with a 7.5 kilowatt spindle, vacuum table, T-slot platform, and a full automatic tool changer, you can slice through wood, MDF, PVC, even acrylic, without lifting a finger. So what can you sell? Custom furniture pieces, decorative panels, laser-precise signage, home decor for Etsy and upscale boutiques. And if you offer B2B, cabinet makers, interior designers, and contractors are always looking for high detail, quick turnaround work. Here's where it gets wild. One $40 decorative wall piece takes 8 minutes to cut. You do the math. The machine runs long hours. No burnout, no back pain. Just one clean digital file and it's off to work. You become the manufacturer, the artist, and the brand all in one. This is how you scale craftsmanship without sacrificing quality. What if you could make pottery without a wheel, without touching clay, and still sell it for hundreds of dollars? This is the Tronxy Moore 2 Pro, a high-speed ceramic 3D printer that lets you print mugs, vases, bowls, and sculptures, layer by layer, perfect every time. For just $639, you unlock a modern pottery studio in the corner of your room. The print size? 255-260 millimeters. Big enough for bold designs, small enough to scale fast. It feeds in real ceramic clay, not plastic, which means your prints go straight to kiln and glaze. You can build custom home decor, artistic vases for boutiques, branded coffee mugs, Etsy-ready pottery collections. Imagine selling limited edition drops, each with your name on it, each made while you sleep. And here's the kicker. You don't need years of pottery skill. You just need a design file, and this machine does the rest. Artists, creators, Etsy sellers, even interior designers are looking for unique clay pieces. This is automated craftsmanship. Old world beauty meets new age precision. In under $700, you're not buying a printer, you're buying a pottery business. One of the most used items on earth, now manufactured by you. We're talking about lighters, used by millions daily. Campers, chefs, even candle lovers. Now imagine this. You can start your own lighter production line for just $1,000. This is the automatic lighter making machine. A compact setup that assembles standard lighters with surprising speed and efficiency. You feed in the materials, plastic shells, spark wheels, fuel inserts, and it rolls out ready-to-use lighters on the other side. This isn't a factory-sized beast. It's a small-scale unit designed for local production and high-margin reselling. You can create custom-branded lighters for businesses, sell themed lighters at festivals, flea markets, and smoke shops, or launch your own trendy lighter brand, with each unit costing you under 15 cents to make and retailing at $1 to $3. you're looking at a serious profit margin. And since it's automated, one operator can manage the whole line. Think about it. $1,000 to enter a repeat purchase industry. That runs on tiny products and big volume. Fire up the machine, fuel up your hustle, and light up a small business, literally. If you found this helpful, wait till you see the machines I found exclusively on Alibaba. They're cheaper, high demand, and perfect for starting a business. Watch this video next.